Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're making this delicious Nigerian party salad. I hope you like the recipe. Please see the description for full list of ingredients. So we'll be needing some macaroni, some sweet corn, carrots, some cabbage, lettuce. Would also be using some green peas, sweet green peas, kidney beans, red kidney beans, cherry tomatoes, chopped red onions, or you can omit it if you prefer not to have onions, some baked beans. Baked beans are sweet. If you want to be very healthy, you can omit it. Eggs and 1 English cucumber. I would also be using this grater to grate my carrots. So first thing to do is to cut the cabbage. We need to cut the cabbage into very thin slices. You need a sharp knife for that. Very thin slices. You don't want it to be chunky. You want it to be thin. So after cutting the cabbage, you set it aside and make sure you cut enough for the size you want, for the amount you want. Same thing you did for the cabbage, you do for the lettuce. Cut it into thin slices and you chop it up. Make sure to peel and clean your carrots before you grate them because you don't want any dirt or sand in your salad.